and it's a very imperative time, because in the next 1 year or 2 years you'll have to decide your stream, the stream that you want to get into, right? And it's the most crucial decision that anyone has to take. And I know there are a lot of factors that go into deciding what stream to choose. Your teachers are a factor who guide you, your parents are a factor who guide you, your seniors, right? But still, at one point of time we still remain confused. We are not sure of everything that we have to do, right? In fact in fact just to let you know, even after this workshop, I'm not sure that all of you would be able to decide your stream maybe, but yes, you'll have a fair amount of idea about different streams, different career options that you have, right? And see, this is a very holistic process where you decide your career, right? There are a lot of places that there are a lot of things that go into place. People sit for psychometric tests, okay, which assess students on a few bases. I'll tell you what are the things that we assess when we do psychometric tests. One, the most important thing is your aptitude, right? Now, why is your aptitude important, right? So some of the student might think that I want to become a doctor, right? So you have the required, you are very good in biology, you have all the skill set, right? But the problem with you is that you are not very good when you see probably bodies. You're not very convenient seeing a surgery room. You're not very convenient seeing wounds. You're not very convenient seeing blood. So you have the interest for that career, but you don't have the aptitude for that career. You understand? It's very important that we consider all of these things. We don't only look at our interests. It's not important that I only look at my interests, right? I might be interested in becoming maybe a software engineer, right? But software engineering demands that you're okay. So I guess the annotation is on. I'll stop it for everyone. And I would request that please don't use annotation. Let me just remove this. Okay. Yeah. So I told you aptitude is one thing. I want to be a software engineer, right? But it is difficult for me to remember a lot of lines, a lot of coding lines that, although you might have heard कि new education policy has been announced, है ना? नई education policy आ रही है, आपने सबने सुना होगा, जिसमें they'll make coding important from 6th class onwards. That would change a lot of things. But as of now, coding is something that we do out of school. It is not something that we do in school. So I might be interested in becoming a computer programmer, a software engineer, but I don't have the aptitude for it. I won't be a very successful software engineer in that case, right? So the things that matter are aptitude, your interest, and your personality. These are the three things which are assessed in a lot of psychometric tests. And apart from that, I would say there's another thing that I generally guide people about. You should have aptitude, skill, and knowledge of any career that you want to take up, right? Now, looking at the picture, you might be, seeing this is your stage as of now. You probably are not sure what you want to do. And I do not want to put a burden on you that you take a pressure of anything that we do today, right? But all the information that I'm sharing, it is something that you'll come across when you're in class 10th. You will anyways ask your teachers, you'll ask your parents, you'll ask your friends, you'll ask your seniors, right? But if you have the consolidated information, it is actually going to help you out, okay? Moving on, see, this is what we do. When we are unsure of something, we try to find it on the internet. But internet is such a big ocean that you are not able to find out the relevant information generally, right? You get lost in a lot of things, and that is where the role of a counselor comes in play, right? So I've been counseling students personally for about 7 years now. I'm a trained international counselor, right? But I know the problems that students face. A stream that a student wants to choose, probably they're not sure what is there in that stream, right? So what do we do for that? I told you we do psychometric test, and there's a very important thing for all the students who are attending this session, ma'am session. I have brought a free psychometric test for all of you, which you can do after the session, okay? I'll be sending a link to ma'am, or I'll be sending a link to you. You can take a test. It will be free for a limited amount of time, limited duration. You can conduct that test for yourself. It's a small test for half an hour, and you'll get a report discussing what your aptitudes are, what your interests are, what your personalities are, that even you are not aware of right now, right? So we'll be doing it at the end of the session. So stay there till the end of the session. Okay, and this is a prominent problem that we see, especially in India, that the careers which are out of the box. I mean, somebody wants to become a singer, somebody wants to become an actor. We do not have proper education for them. For acting, there are a few acting schools, but it is not everyone's. I mean, everyone is not capable or not. I mean, doesn't have the capability to get into all the film schools, right? So we need to be aware what film schools are there if I want to be an actor, what singing schools are there if I want to be a singer, right? These are the out of the box careers that everyone can think of, but we should be aware of the options available, right? Okay, so moving on, and there's a I mean, you might have seen there's a fascination with all of us, with our students, with the students that you see across, with your teachers, that everyone wants you to become a doctor or an engineer, right? These are the two primary careers that we think of. एंड थर्ड तीसरा कोई करियर दिमाग में आता ही नहीं है हमारे शायद एक और चीज देयर वन मोर थिंग दैट अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल माइट बी हियरिंग दैट जो भी अच्छे बच्चे होते हैं, जो भी इंटेलिजेंट स्टूडेंट्स होते हैं, वो सारे साइंस में जाते हैं. एंड लेट मी क्लैरिफाई, दिस इज नॉट ट्रू. दिस इज नॉट ट्रू एट ऑल, राइट? साइंस, इफ यू हैव एन एप्टीट्यूड फॉर साइंस, चूज साइंस. अभी तुम लोग सारे 8th 9th 10th में हो, यू विल बी एबल टू एनालाइज फॉर योर सेल्फ. If you are actually loving chemistry, if you are actually loving physics, if you are actually loving biology, then science is for you. But if you are just studying science for the sake of passing or for the sake of getting good marks, and you are actually not enjoying what you are studying, then science is not for you, my friend. Even if you are intelligent, you are very good in academics, but science is not for you. Then analyze what you are good at. You might be good at mathematics, but not the other areas like physics, chemistry, biology. Then science is not for you. You can take mathematics along with your commerce also, and you can take mathematics in humanities also and make a career out of it. There are very good careers out of mathematics also. People are not even aware of them, right? How many of you are aware that there's a degree called B Maths in India, or a degree like B Stat in India, Bachelor of Statistics, Bachelor of Mathematics? And why are these degrees very good? Because government pays you to do these degrees in India, right? There are institutes like ISI. You can write down the institute. It's not ISI, Pakistan's ISI. It's Indian Statistical Institute, which is based in Kolkata. Okay, they give you free education. If you are good at mathematics, you clear their examination, they give you free education. They are promoting maths actually, right? So there are a lot of things like that in sciences, or in for commerce students, a lot of things like that which we might not be even aware of. When we go to schools to conduct sessions and I ask about this course like B Stat or B Maths, a lot of people have not even heard. People have heard that there is a BSc in which we can do a specialization in mathematics, right? In BSc you study all the other subjects and then you do mathematics, but there is a specific degree considering mathematics as the primary option. Okay, so if somebody is good at maths and doesn't want to pursue science, then B Maths is for you, then B Stat is for you. And you can do a B Stat or B Maths not only after doing a science, you can do commerce along with mathematics and then also pursue a B Maths or B Statistics. Okay, so the first step for all of you is thinking, what subjects do you like? Do you like English? Do you like science? Do you like social studies? There might be some people who like social studies but do not like science as much. There might be people who like science a lot and do not like social studies at all. They just study social studies just to get good marks. They're not very good at cramming, because what I have seen is people who are good at cramming, they get good marks in social studies, they get good marks in history, geography, civics, but they actually do not enjoy remembering all those dates. They do not actually enjoy remembering all those places, all those phenomena. Then my friend, you cannot do, you should not do, I would not say cannot, you should not do history or geography or sciences. History or geography or civics, right? Now, a lot of people, a lot of misconceptions that I keep hearing every day, that people who want to become IAS, people who want to get into UPSC, a lot of people have dreams like, I want to become an IAS officer, I want to become an IPS officer, but they are not sure what to do. Then again, they think that if we do history, geography, civics, it will be convenient for us to become an IAS. It is not true at all. There are a lot of doctors, MBBS doctors, who had been able to clear the IAS exam. There are a lot of engineers who had been able to clear IAS exam, right? And mind you, whenever you realize that you have a calling for a particular subject, a particular area, then that's when you can decide that this is the career for you. And for that, it is very important that you talk to people. What kind of people? See, you talk to Baljinder ma'am every day, right? She's been teaching you science. You can talk to her, tell her about what your inclination is. Is science your inclination? Is chemistry your calling? Is physics your calling? Is maths your calling? Or you, if you meet some engineer in your family, in your friends, in your relatives, talk to them. If you meet an architect in your family, talk to them. You meet a CA in your family, talk to them. Get to know what their lives are, what do they do. I mean, it's very easy to say CA कर लो, बहुत अच्छा है, बहुत पैसे मिलेंगे. Engineering कर लो, बहुत पैसे हैं, कर लो. But ultimately you are the one who have to do it. अल्टीमेटली हमारे पास सिर्फ वही घूम फिर के 2-4 ऑप्शन नहीं रह जाने चाहिए. वी शुड हैव अ लॉट ऑफ प्लेंटी ऑफ ऑप्शंस. फॉर दैट इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट दैट यू टॉक टू पीपल अराउंड. Okay, you, instead of going to the internet, talk to the people who've actually done it. Right now, if I talk about myself, I have changed a lot of things throughout my life. In class 10th, I wanted to get into commerce stream, right? But my family did not want me to go to commerce. Why? Because they said he's an intelligent student, he should be put into sciences. So I was put into sciences, and I had taken up biology there. I had not taken up PCM earlier, but I had taken biology there. Why? Because they wanted me to become a doctor later on. But it was not my calling. It was not my calling from inside. I did not want to be a doctor. I enjoyed the subjects, but biology was something that I was doing just for the sake of it, just for getting the good marks, right? But it was not my calling. So I was preparing for, I got a seat in BDS, Bachelor of Dental Studies, but I had dropped that seat. Why? Because I knew that 5 years down the line, I will not be the one who will be doing this. Okay. So I picked up something else because I was very late in deciding my career. After passing out of my 12th, I had taken an exam of you might have heard about abhi NEET ho gaya exam. Earlier the exam was used to be called PMT exam, pre-medical test. So I had appeared for that pre-medical test. I cleared that. I got into BDS, but I knew that 5 years down the line I'll not be very happy. But there were not many options for me at that point of time. So I had to take up biotechnology. But then I started loving a bit of biotechnology and how the sales process of it works. Okay. I've studied a lot of companies which deal with pharma, which make medicines. I was very fascinated with how they sell it. Okay. How they sell things. I heard a lot of stories about a lot of products like Colgate. I mean, I heard a story once that Colgate was the first company which started giving a toothbrush free with the toothpaste. So when I ask people that why do you think Colgate would have done that, then people obviously they say that to make it more attractive. Everyone might think that probably people will buy more Colgate if they get a free brush with it. But no, that was not the whole motive behind it. The whole motive was the brush that they gave for free. How did they recover its cost? They started making its bristles bigger. When they made its bristles bigger, people started using more Colgate. So it used to get finished early, right? When it finishes early, people used to buy more. Do you understand my point here? I mean, how business people, actually businessmen, how they think. What did they think? They did not think a freebie will attract people. They thought that we give a freebie, people will use more Colgate, the bristles are bigger, वो ज्यादा कोलगेट अप्लाई करेंगे, वहां पे जल्दी खत्म हो जाएगी, जल्दी लेने आएंगे, सेल्स हमारी ऐसे बढ़ेंगी, राइट? I was blown away by this phenomena that they thought of. So I thought, why not get into something like business, where I study these phenomena, where I study marketing, where I study HR, right? That's how you realize your calling. That's how you realize your careers. Okay. And then I pursued my MBA from IIT Delhi. And then I started working in a company called Kingfisher. There I met my friend's child who was actually not sure of what he wanted to do, but his father wanted him to get into sciences. And then I said, why are you putting him to sciences if he's not interested towards science? And that's where my second calling came in, that I have to get into counseling. Okay. That's how your callings come in. Okay. You have to realize each and every moment what you want to do in your life. It's very important. I can give you 100 career options right now, but you are the one who will be able to decide. Okay. So without discussing more about it, this is something that you can probably relate to. What is this? What do we call it? What do we call it in India? It's called भेड़ चाल, right? Don't be a part of भेड़ चाल at all. एक भेड़ चाल इंडिया में बहुत थोड़ी देर पहले शुरू हुई थी, काफी हद तक चली. वो भेड़ चाल क्या है? क्या भेड़ चाल है? कि इंजीनियरिंग कर लो, राइट? और उसका ऐसा इफेक्ट हुआ कि अब अगर तुम अच्छे इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज से इंजीनियरिंग नहीं कर रहे हो तो वो इंजीनियरिंग की कोई वैल्यू नहीं रह जाती, राइट? इंजीनियर्स आर नॉट एम्प्लॉयबल इफ दे आर नॉट फ्रॉम अ गुड कॉलेज. व्हाट आर द गुड कॉलेजेस? IITs, NITs, triple ITs, okay, and some regional colleges, okay. Apart from this, you get into any particular university for doing your engineering, you are at the same level even if you've not done an engineering, right? ये क्यों हुआ? Why did this happen? Because बहुत सारे लोग इस भेड़चाल में लग गए इंजीनियर बन, क्योंकि इंजीनियरिंग को बहुत सक्सेस मिली एक टाइम पे, अभी भी मिलती है. People who are good engineers, they are hired by Facebook, by Google at packages of crores, but those people are very few in number, and they belong to the topmost colleges either in India or outside India, right? In fact, let me tell you, India mein it's difficult to get into IIT, right, than it is to get into maybe a Harvard, okay. IIT में घुसना इतना मुश्किल हो गया है, राइट? तो इसलिए IITs की इंजीनियरिंग की बहुत वर्थ है, राइट? तो इंजीनियरिंग वाज सच अ करियर जो भेड़चाल का शिकार बना इंडिया में, राइट? बट नाउ पीपल हैव बिकम मोर सीरियस. If they want to get into engineering, they prepare well in advance and prepare for a good engineering and get into it, right? Or they decide getting into a topmost colleges in the world, somewhere in the world. I would tell you, if you actually look at the results of engineering colleges, an IIT may be producing an engineer, and an average university in US might be producing an engineer. Still, that person might be earning more than an IITian from India, right? Why? Because they have proper research output. That research output is not there in India. The research output is not that high in India, right? That's why the new education policy have been introduced to introduce research into class 6, 7th, 8th, 9th, so that people are actually interested towards research. Okay, so chalo, my point was कि भेड़चाल फॉलो नहीं होनी चाहिए. एक भेड़चाल, if somebody is from Punjab, they might be aware of, एक भेड़चाल पंजाब में भी चलती है. भेड़चाल का यही एंड होता है लास्ट में, राइट? एक शीप गलत जाके गिरेगी, सारे उसके पीछे गिरेंगे. और वो भेड़चाल पंजाब में एक दिखती है, शायद तुम्हें पता हो. I don't know how many of you are from Punjab, but this is a भेड़चाल in Punjab, right? This is a बैकअप करियर ऑप्शन फॉर एवरीवन इन पंजाब. कहाँ जाना है? कनाडा जाना है, राइट? पर करना क्या है वो किसी को पता नहीं है. कनाडा में भी जाना है तो एटलीस्ट तुम्हारी कॉलिंग होनी चाहिए, right? I conducted a session yesterday and I discussed about game design. That was a more focused session because there were 12th class students who were passing out. So I had to tell them the options only, right? So I talked about game design and a girl was so fascinated. She did all her research throughout the night and she came up to me in the morning and called me up that I want to do game design. Okay. I have studied about game design. That is something that she was not even aware of 2 days ago, right? She got to know yesterday. She did her research throughout the night and decided that I want to get into game design, right? Up game design, she will be going to Canada for her game design and I will be helping her out with the colleges and everything. But she had her calling. She actually liked games. She actually liked how to, I mean, the design part of it, the creative part of it. She saw a lot of videos on YouTube and then decided, right? सो माई पॉइंट इज कि भेड़चाल का पार्ट बनना इज नॉट जरूरी. तुम्हारे पेरेंट्स या तुम्हारे टीचर्स या तुम्हारे फ्रेंड्स रिलेटिव्स जो मर्जी कर रहे हैं या कह रहे हैं, तुम्हें अपनी कॉलिंग देखनी है. व्हाट इज योर कॉलिंग? ओके, ताकि मेरे पास ये प्रॉब्लम ना हो कल को, राइट? So anyhow, let me further take you through a lot of options which are available for people who get into commerce. Since all of you, probably some of you are in class 10, some of you are in class 9th, you have to choose a stream. So I'll be talking about some stream wise career options. These are the options which are available after doing a commerce. I'll be talking about both with mathematics and without mathematics. Okay, so people who are not very good at mathematics, they don't love mathematics, enjoy mathematics, they still have very good options. I'll talk about all of those. Okay, so the conventional option everyone pursues is BCom, right? BCom. But then when it comes to BCom, the best BCom in India is from Delhi University. You need to make sure that if you want to get into Delhi University, you should have a very good percentage. The cutoff in Shri Ram College of Commerce in Delhi goes as high as 99% or 98%, nothing below it. Even a student at 97% might not be able to get into a topmost college, right? So it's very important that if you want to get into BCom, you should be very good at academics. Now, what happens if you're not good at academics? You might be you actually like commerce, but when it comes to marks, there are things which make your marks go a little low. For example, you're not able to write large answers. You're not able to write it in the bookish language, maybe, but still you are a good student. You easily can get 92, 93%, but not 99, 98%. Then what? Are your options finished? Not at all. There is BCom in colleges like Ferguson College in Pune. It is there in Mumbai University. It is there in Punjab University, right? So all of these options, they do not require as high percentage as 98, 99. You would be selected at 92, 93, 94 percentage also, right? If you want to get into a BCom. If not BCom, if not BCom, then what other options do we have? Let me just take you through all those options. So the second option we have is BA or BSc in economics. Now, economics is something that you would study in your further classes, right? In 10th class, you will study a bit of economics, and you have to realize whether you like economics or not. What do economists do? They decide the policies of a country, right? They decide how the economy of that country would work. And not only for countries, a lot of companies also hire economists so that they can see their finances. Okay, they can see how the economy of the company works. Okay, so BSc economics or BA economics, where can you study BA or BSc economics? See, for BCom honors in Delhi University, I told you, you need a maths. Okay, you need a maths. But when it comes to BA, BSc economics, you need maths only in a few institutes. If you plan to pursue a BBE or a BSc economics in Delhi University, then you need maths. But if you do not have maths, then you still have very good options like Symbiosis University in Pune. You might have heard about it. Christ University in Bangalore. Okay, these are very good universities which actually give you BSc economics, okay, without even a maths, but they have entrance tests for it. You need to be aware that you'll have to appear for an entrance test later on after your class 12th. Next options that we have is management, BBA, BBM. At some places it's called BMS, right? And the best place to do a management is none other than IIMs. जैसे इंडिया में IITs होते हैं बीटेक के लिए, इंजीनियरिंग के लिए, ऐसे ही आईआईटी जैसी एक चीज कॉमर्स वाले लोगों के लिए भी है, मैनेजमेंट वाले लोगों के लिए भी है. इट्स कॉल्ड आईआईएम. नाउ a lot of people have heard that IIMs are for MBA, but let me tell you, there are two IIMs in India. One is IIM Indore and one is IIM Rohtak. They offer a 5-year integrated degree. A 5-year integrated degree. And what is that degree called? It's a MBA degree. Ultimately, after passing out, you get an MBA degree. And let me tell you why is this the best course for anybody who wants to get into commerce. The average package in IIM Indore last year was 17 lakhs per annum. So what does it mean? 17 lakhs. Somebody who has passed out from there, उसको 17 लाख रुपए एक साल के मिल रहे हैं, right? Probably these values are not very important for you as of now, but later on when you step into a career, earning money would be a very big motive of your life. Okay, one of the motives of your life. Along with being happy, you will have to earn more money also. So average package is 17, and the highest package, let me tell you the highest package there, and I am in Indore, the highest package last year was 89 lakhs per annum. 89 lakhs per annum. Now if you convert 89 lakhs per annum into a monthly salary, it's about 7.5 lakh rupees per month. 7.5 lakh rupees. Okay, that's the highest salary that somebody from IIM Indore had got. So management has such potential. So whosoever ever tells you कि जो अच्छे पैसे मिलते हैं वो इंजीनियरिंग में ही मिलते हैं, tell them कि IIM इंदौर में 89 लाख रुपीस का पैकेज गया है हाईएस्ट. सिर्फ फेसबुक गूगल वही नहीं आती, आईआईटी में नहीं आती है, आईआईएम में भी आती है, लेके जाती है, राइट? Then chartered accountancy. I'm sure a lot of you have heard about chartered accountancy, right? Chartered accountancy needs, now I would suggest that if somebody has ever thought of that I want to become a chartered accountant, if your maybe parents are chartered accountants, or maybe your relatives are chartered accountant, and you're very eager to see them how they have progressed in their life, do keep in mind that chartered accountancy needs a lot of self-discipline. If you feel that you have self-discipline, if you feel that you can put in long hours of study, if you feel that you can study 8 hours a day continuously for 5 years, then you can pursue a CA. Else, do not even think of doing a CA. Right? It's very important. We need to know what are the factors involved in deciding a career. This is also a factor. How much do I have to study? Right? It's very important. So the next is company secretaryship. Now, a lot of people ask me when I go to schools, I conduct sessions, how is company secretaryship? I always tell them it is good, but it is always good when there is a combo with it. in India, company secretaries, although it's mandatory for companies to hire a CS, companies which have a revenue of 5 crore plus, जिन कंपनीज का रेवेन्यू 5 करोड़ से ज्यादा है उनको सीएस को हायर करना पड़ता है, बट वो अकेले सीएस को हायर नहीं करते हैं. इंडिया का मैं तुम्हें रियल सिनारियो बता रहा हूं, अकेले सीएस को हायर नहीं करते हैं. यू हैव टू गेट another degree with CS, maybe an MBA with CS, maybe an LLB with CS, a law with CS, or maybe a CA and a CS. Although CA CS बहुत लंबा टाइम ले लेते हैं तुम्हारा, but that is the only worth of CA of CS, sorry. So if you get into CS, you need to have something with it, because that's the trend in India. I'm not saying CS itself is not sufficient, but that's the trend in India. Okay, that's how the companies are hiring. You should know about it. Okay, the next few options that probably a lot of you might not be aware of, there is something called cost and work accountancy. ओके, सीए जैसा ही है लेकिन नॉट एज स्ट्रेनुअस एज सीए. सो कोई अगर सीए बनना चाहता है लेकिन उस इतने आवर स्टडी के शायद नहीं दे सकता, उसे थोड़े से कम दे सकता है, देन सीडब्ल्यूए इज आल्सो एन ऑप्शन फॉर यू. द ओनली डिफरेंस इज सीडब्ल्यूए की भी उतनी ही रिस्पेक्ट है सीए जितनी, लेकिन सीडब्ल्यूए अपनी प्रैक्टिस नहीं करते हैं. दे डो नॉट गेट अ लाइसेंस और समथिंग. ये सीए की तरह अपना काम नहीं स्टार्ट करते हैं, दे वर्क इन अ कंपनी ओनली. ओके, दैट्स द ओनली डिफरेंस. ओके, द सेकंड इज चार्टर्ड फाइनेंशियल एनालिस्ट्स, CFA. This is something which is recognized throughout India and abroad also. You do a CFA, you go to US, you'll be highly regarded. Investment banks will be hiring you, will be after you to hire you. Okay, investment bank किन लोगों को, कैसे लोगों को हायर करते हैं? I'll tell you an example from a movie. You might have seen the movie जिंदगी ना मिलेगी दोबारा, है ना? उसमें तुमने देखा होगा ऋतिक रोशन. He used to work a lot. He was earning a lot of money. He was actually working in an investment bank. Okay, he was an investment banker there, right? So CFAs are those people who become the investment bankers later on. So it involves a lot of money. It has a lot of money, right? But chartered financial analysts also work very hard. They need to study for almost 4 years after their graduation to become a chartered financial analysts. Okay, you can set your goals right there, right from beginning. Okay, so actuarial, next is actuarial sciences. Okay, now actuarial sciences is something that a lot of people might not have heard about. अभी हम सीए तो सुनते हैं कि मेरे आसपास सीए हैं, मेरे कजन्स में सीए हैं, मेरे रिलेटिव्स में सीए हैं, माय फ्रेंड्स के फ्रेंड्स आर सीएज और समथिंग लाइक दैट. बट एक्चुअलीज कितने लोग हैं? बहुत कम सुनते हैं हम लोग, राइट? हाँ, ये तनिष्का, राइट? अब देखो, ये चीजें ना ट्रेंड करती हैं, कुछ चीजें ट्रेंड करती हैं. ये ट्रेंड नहीं किया एक्चुअल साइंसेस. क्या ट्रेंड कर गया जो तनिष्का ने अभी लिखा? तनिष्का हैज जस्ट रिटन विनोद, है ना? अब बच्चों को ये पता है कि यूट्यूब पे विनोद ट्रेंड कर रहा है, बट लेट मी टेल यू अ करियर आउट ऑफ दैट ऑल्सो. गेटिंग वायरल ऑन यूट्यूब, दैट्स ऑल्सो अ करियर. पीपल मेक मनी आउट ऑफ यूट्यूब ऑल्सो, राइट? राइट तनिष्का, वी आर ऑल विनोद्स, राइट? सो विनोद आपने शायद सुना हो, मे बी यूट्यूब पे बहुत फेमस हुआ फ्रॉम अ पेज ऑन यूट्यूब, स्ले पॉइंट, है ना? बहुत फेमस कर दिया उन्होंने. बट you should probably know that Slay Point is earning a lot of money through their endorsements. This is also a career nowadays. Okay, and I also make videos on YouTube. I've recently started making videos on YouTube. I'll give you the link of my YouTube channel. I make videos based on careers. Okay, the careers that you would, so the queries that you give me, probably I'll make a video out of that and maybe I'll put it on the YouTube, right? And that's how you find out the opportunity out of everything, right Binod? Right Tanishka? Okay, so actuarial sciences. Actuaries are people who do the risk analysis of insurance companies. Okay, insurance companies hire them, and the packages that actuarial sciences people get are very high. They get 6-7 lakhs per annum in the beginning only. That's the package that they get in the beginning only, right? After spending about 5-6 years in their career, they make money as 50 lakhs per annum, 60 lakhs per annum. That's the amount of money that they get. Okay, actuaries. For becoming an actuary, there is a test which is called ACET. You'll get to know about it later. I'll put a video on it on my YouTube also. So then treasury and forex management, right? This is something that a lot of people might not even again heard about. But जो बॉडी सीए बनाती है लोगों को, वही बॉडी ये वाला कोर्स भी कंडक्ट करती है. फॉरेक्स मैनेजमेंट. फॉरेक्स क्या होता है? फॉरेन एक्सचेंज. तो फॉरेन एक्सचेंज में कैसे काम करना है, उसके लिए भी फॉरेक्स कंपनीज कैसे खोलनी है, फॉरेक्स के लिए एजेंसीज कैसे खोलनी है, वो सारा इसमें सिखाते हैं, right? So these are very good courses, have a lot of money. Merchant banking and financial services, this is similar to investment banking, okay? And they need people, like they have courses on merchant banking and financial services. Certified public accountant, this is just like a CA in USA. जैसे सीए इंडिया में होता है ऐसे ही यूएस में होता है सीपीए, सर्टिफाइड पब्लिक अकाउंटेंट. ऐसे ही सीपीए कनाडा में भी होते हैं, राइट? सो अगर कोई कनाडा भी सोचता है जाने का, देन think of becoming a CPA there. If you are getting into commerce, think of becoming a CPA there if you want to go to Canada, right? And then Indian Statistical Services. Now, what is this? You might have heard about IAS. A lot of you have heard about IAS, but ऐसे ही जो कॉमर्स वाले हैं उनके लिए इंडियन स्टैटिस्टिकल सर्विसेज भी है, राइट? सो देयर आर लॉट ऑफ अपॉर्चुनिटीज नॉट ओनली इन द प्राइवेट सेक्टर बट द गवर्नमेंट सेक्टर आल्सो. सो I just wanted to see, I did not want to flood you with information. ये और भी options हैं, there are a lot of options that I'm putting in. CCAP, Chrysler Certified Analyst Program, BSc Finance, a lot of good options. My only point of giving you these options was that you should never feel that commerce people do not have options. You should never feel that people who get into commerce are not intelligent students. Mind you, these are the options that might give you more money than probably an engineering in the long term in India, right? Do you understand? So next time, do not shy away from getting into commerce also. Yes, I'm going to medical also, right? Pratham, I'll be going to medical also. This was for commerce. The next one is non-medical. I'll just speak about the options from non-medical and then I'll come to the medical also, right? So non-medical, they actually think of getting into engineering only. Okay, but that's not true. Architects, कौन लोग architect बनते हैं? यही लोग हैं. Non-medical people, they only become architects, because for architecture also, it is very important that you should know physics, chemistry, and mathematics. Okay. And engineering, maybe we think of getting into computer sciences and electronics only, but there are a lot of other branches. I'll just show you. What are the other branches? Textile engineering, biomedical, instrumentation, industrial, aeronautical, marine, telecom engineering, right? And you might have heard of about very few people getting into these. How many people you've heard about who become aeronautical engineers, right? It's a highly specialized branch and involves a lot of good placements. क्योंकि तुम्हें पता है कि how big this industry is, this aeronautical industry is. Airplanes बनाना, उनको maintain करना, ये सारा काम aeronautical engineers ही करते हैं, right? There's a lot of money involved. You can even get into NASA. You can get into the space bodies also. A lot of space bodies hire aeronautical engineers, right? For making their rockets, for making their satellites, right? And textile engineering. One of my students recently passed out of NIT Jalandhar. Right, I belong to Jalandhar. So NIT Jalandhar, recently one of my students passed out of NIT Jalandhar and did his textile engineering from there. He got placed into a company called Vardhaman Group at a package of 12 lakhs per annum. Who would think that a textile engineer would get a 12 lakhs per annum, right? We only think कि computer science वालों को ही इतने पैसे मिलते हैं, but ऐसा नहीं है. Computer science वालों को मिलते हैं, but there are other branches also. If you're not good at coding, you're not good at computers, you have other branches also, right? And then joining armed forces, you do an NDA, get into armed forces, then you get into design, you do a fashion design, an apparel design, luxury designers, jewelry designers, right? They pass out of institutes like NID Ahmedabad. You have institute by the name of NIFT, National Institute of Fashion Technology. You have institute called FDDI. I've made a complete video on design exams also. I'll be sharing it with you. I mean, it'll be there on my channel. I'll be sharing my channel with you, right? So design field, NID Ahmedabad. Why did I write it under non-medical? Because NIFT specifically has a course called BF Tech, बैचलर ऑफ फैशन टेक्नोलॉजी. अब कुछ लोगों को क्लॉथ्स के बारे में बहुत इंफॉर्मेशन होती है, इसलिए वो उसमें अपना करियर परस्यू करना चाहते हैं कि कौन सा क्लॉथ कैसे बना, राइट? हाउ स्ट्रॉन्ग इट इज, व्हाट आर द मटेरियल्स यूज्ड. उसके लिए डिग्री कॉल्ड बीएफ टेक. और बीएफ टेक में कौन लोग जाते हैं? सिर्फ नॉन मेडिकल वाले, सिर्फ नॉन मेडिकल, राइट? बट रेस्ट ऑफ द डिजाइन्स आर ओपन फॉर एवरीवन, फॉर कॉमर्स, फॉर ह्यूमैनिटी स्टूडेंट्स. Then bachelor courses, specialized bachelor courses. If you don't want to become an engineer after your non-medical, you have courses like industrial chemistry, you have courses like geology, you have courses like statistics. Okay, Manya has a question. Which stream to be taken for law? Manya, there is no particular stream that you need to take for law, right? For law, for getting into law, you need to appear for an exam called CLAT, or there are few more exams like ALET. They do not have any eligibility that you should be from a particular branch. Okay, and उसका CLAT या ALET का जो syllabus भी आता है वो 11th 12th में से कुछ नहीं होता है. So any branch that you take, it is okay. You can take any branch and still get into law. Okay, but if you would want कि मेरे को कुछ law जैसा पढ़ना भी है, तो you can take up polity as a subject. और पॉलिटी एज ऑफ नाउ सिर्फ ह्यूमैनिटीज में मिल रहा है, बट ऑप्शन है स्कूल्स के अंदर. इफ यू टॉक टू योर स्कूल, you study commerce, you can study polity along with it. You can ask your school, they can provide you with it, right? And new education policy में तो obviously this is being allowed कि आप जो भी सब्जेक्ट पढ़ना चाहो पढ़ सकते हो. You want to study physics, you want to study polity with it, you can do that, right? Okay, Gauri, IAS and UPSC. Again, Gauri, I was talking about IAS earlier. So UPSC का Union Public Service Commission is a body that conducts exam for IAS, IPS, right? IFS. और IAS, IPS, IFS बनने के लिए भी कोई जरूरी नहीं है कि पर्टिकुलर आपके पास कोई ब्रांच हो, कि आप ह्यूमैनिटीज से होने चाहिए या कॉमर्स से होने चाहिए या नॉन मेडिकल या मेडिकल, ऐसा जरूरी नहीं है. नॉट एट ऑल इम्पॉर्टेंट, राइट? सो यू कैन डू एनीथिंग, बट हाँ IAS में जो चीज हेल्प करती है, दैट्स योर कॉन्स्टेंट स्टडी, राइट? तुम्हारा 8-8 घंटे की सिटिंग होनी चाहिए, क्योंकि IAS बनने के लिए there's a lot of subjects that you need to study. Okay, IAS बनने के लिए जनरल स्टडीज include a lot of things. It includes biology, physics, chemistry. It includes history, geography, right? Civics, lot of polity, right? Economics, a lot of subjects for it. ठीक है ना? तो particular branch is not required. You can get into it from any branch. And Rajmeer, Sakshi. Yes, Sakshi, humanities is appropriate for law. If you want to get into law, humanities is also appropriate. You understand? Appropriate है, कुछ भी पढ़ो, लेकिन humanities अगर कर रहे हो, I would suggest do take polity with it. Polity जरूर लेना, क्योंकि it will help you out in getting in understanding your subjects in future. And also लेट मी टेल यू, अगर पॉलिटी कर रहे हो साथ में, अगर तुम्हारे स्कूल में लीगल स्टडीज भी है, देन डू टेक लीगल स्टडीज आल्सो. इट्स गोना हेल्प यू आउट विद योर एंट्रेंस टेस्ट्स आल्सो, राइट? एंड राजमीर, वेयर कैन वी डू एनडीए फ्रॉम? राजमीर, एनडीए के लिए देखो, अगेन आई वुड सजेस्ट, इफ यू वांट टू डू एनडीए, थिंक ऑफ गेटिंग इनटू नॉन मेडिकल इन द बिगिनिंग. आप नॉन मेडिकल में जाने का प्लान करो. वंस यू गेट इनटू नॉन मेडिकल, आप मैथ्स पढ़ोगे, राइट? मैथ्स का एग्जाम एनडीए में प्राइमरीली मैथ्स ही होता है, राइट? जब आप मैथ्स वो एग्जाम दोगे, क्लियर करोगे, देन यू विल बी सिलेक्टेड बाय एनडीए. फिर आपका फिजिकल टेस्ट होगा वहां. दैट फिजिकल टेस्ट इंक्लूड्स अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स लाइक रनिंग, साइकिलिंग, राइट? अ साइकोमेट्रिक टेस्ट. दे डू अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स. यस गौरी, नॉन मेडिकल इज ऑल्सो अप्रोप्रिएट फॉर IAS. अगर IAS की तरफ जाना चाहते हो, इट्स नॉट रिक्वायर्ड कि आप कोई पर्टिकुलर स्ट्रीम लो, कोई भी स्ट्रीम लो चलेगा, राइट? एंड बी मैथ्स एंड बी स्टैट. जसजोत, फॉर गेटिंग इनटू बी मैथ्स और बी स्टैट, you should have studied maths in class 11th and 12th. Ideally 11th and 12th में maths कहाँ पढ़ोगे आप? या तो नॉन मेडिकल में पढ़ोगे, या आप कॉमर्स विद मैथ्स करोगे, राइट? या फिर आप ह्यूमैनिटीज विद मैथ्स भी कर सकते हो, बट योर मैथ्स शुड बी वेरी गुड. तो बी स्टैट बी मैथ्स के लिए देयर इज एन एग्जाम कंडक्टेड बाय ISI. एक एग्जाम होता है, राइट? एंड दैट एग्जाम हैज अ लॉट ऑफ मैथ्स. वो मैथ्स आप एग्जाम क्लियर करते हो, डायरेक्ट सिलेक्शन है उसके अंदर, कोई इंटरव्यू नहीं है, नथिंग लाइक दैट. एंड इफ यू क्लियर दैट एग्जाम, देन गवर्नमेंट पेज स्कॉलरशिप फॉर स्टडिंग बी स्टैट आल्सो. ओके, राइट? And polity, somebody asked polity. Acha, pilot also. Okay, polity again. So polity is a subject where you study constitution, you study laws in India, right? Judiciary, executive, all of these things you study in polity. You should take up this subject if you plan to get into law later on, right? Pilot, somebody said pilot. See, pilot बनने के लिए कोई stream नहीं चाहिए. Pilot बनने के लिए it's important that you get into a flying school. और flying school के लिए it's important कि आपको आपका बेसिकली क्या होगा. अभी आजकल क्या हो रहा है, द प्रोफेशनल फ्लाइंग स्कूल्स जो हैं, दे टेक अप पीपल फ्रॉम फिजिक्स, जिन्होंने फिजिक्स जरूरी पढ़ा हो और जिन्होंने मैथ्स जरूरी पढ़ा हो, राइट? सो प्राइमरीली आई वुड से कि नॉन मेडिकल वाले लोग पायलट बनने के लिए ज्यादा एलिजिबल हैं एज ऑफ नाउ, राइट? बट अनदर मोड ऑफ गेटिंग इनटू बिकमिंग अ पायलट इज कि आप मैथ्स पढ़ने के बाद आप एयरफोर्स की तरफ भी जा सकते हो, राइट? राइट, उसके लिए मैथ्स होना बहुत जरूरी है, राइट? बट प्राइमरीली आई वुड सजेस्ट, इफ यू वांट टू बिकम अ पायलट, नॉन मेडिकल इज द स्ट्रीम दैट यू शुड plan to. Tarush, if you want to design processors, that means you need to get into computer engineering, and that to hardwares, not into the softwares. Okay. Aryan, I told you the eligibilities. You should have maths in class 11th and 12th. It could be commerce with maths. It could be non-medical with maths. है ना, दोनों में से कुछ भी हो सकता है, right? Okay, there is a fear of JEE mains and advanced exams in the minds of students. See, fear is something that will not let you go very far in your career. तो जेई तो सबको देना ही है ना, आप ऐसा मान के चलो कि इट्स द नेसेसरी सिन जो आपको करना ही पड़ेगा अगर आपको अच्छे इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज में जाना है, तो जेई से डर के कुछ नहीं होगा. एंड जेई इज एनीवेज रिक्वायर्ड टू गेट इनटू एनी इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज नाउ. जेई मेंस तो आपको किसी भी इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज के लिए देना ही पड़ेगा ना, वो चाहे आईआईटी हो या ना हो. इवन इफ यू वांट टू गेट इनटू थापर यू नीड टू अपेयर फॉर जेई, राइट. फॉरेंसिक आई एम कमिंग टू इट. जनीशा मेडिकल के अंदर आई हैव पुट इन फॉरेंसिक आल्सो, राइट. तो जेई के लिए डरना इज अनजस्टिफाइड. वाई? बिकॉज जेई मेंस करोगे आप, एडवांस तक नहीं भी पहुंचते, सपोज मेन से बहुत सारे अच्छे कॉलेजेस आपको मिल जाएंगे, राइट. सो डरो मत उससे. जेई के लिए तैयारी करो, तैयारी अभी से करो. इफ यू आर इन क्लास 10th देन दिस इज द राइट टाइम यू स्टार्ट. 8th में भी हो ना, तभी अभी से स्टार्ट कर दो अगर जेई की तरफ प्लान कर रहे हो, राइट. Anika, humanities doesn't have fixed subjects. You are the one who can choose subjects in humanities, okay? You can take up a history, a maths, a polity, an economics. You decide your subjects, a painting, right? You can home science. There are a lot of options that you can take up, okay? So there are bachelor programs. There are a lot of other bachelor programs like BSc, MSc, which are there in institutes like ISER, Chennai Mathematical Institute, CMI. They also give a B Maths degree. Okay. ISI Kolkata, I told you they give you B Stat. Okay. IIST, Indian Institute of Space Technology. If somebody is interested in getting into space, spacecraft देखना बहुत अच्छा लगता है, उनको डिजाइन करना है later on, तो IIST में जा सकते हो. For all of these non-medical is required. मैं पहले बता रहा हूँ आपको, non-medical के लिए ये सारे streams हैं. Then IISc Bangalore, they have a 5-year integrated program of BSc, MSc, or they have a 4-year program called BS, and it is equivalent to a program from any of the US topmost university. Okay. And then NISER is National Institute of Science Education and Research. ISER is Indian Institute of Science Education and Research. NISER is National Institute of Science Education and Research, right. They have physics and mathematics ke 5-year integrated programs. Okay. Gauri, then do try for IIST. If you want to get into space programming, do try getting into IIST. Okay. After non-medical, you should study non-medical first. Okay. No, Savgun, CPA, CFA or CPA is not immediately after 12th. You have to do your graduation first for it. And the stream that you want to get into is commerce first. Okay. Now medical, next comes is medical. People who were asking me about medical. So again, medical doesn't mean becoming doctors only. Okay. So medical सोचते हैं हम तो doctor सोचते हैं, right? But what if I am not able to get a seat maybe? Or what if I'm not actually interested in becoming a doctor? Then what are the other options for me? The other options are you can get into pharmacy. You can get into biomedical sciences like biotechnology, bioinformatics, paramedical sciences. Paramedical sciences में क्या आ जाएगा? Physiotherapy आ जाएगा, right? Healthcare management. There is a proper degree now. Healthcare management में MBA. Now what is that? क्या होता है इसमें? अब देखो आजकल हॉस्पिटल्स भी होटल्स की तरह हो गए, बहुत बड़े बड़े. जैसे होटल्स हैं बहुत बड़े बड़े, ओबेरॉय होटल्स हैं, ऐसे ही फोर्टिस हॉस्पिटल भी है. अब फोर्टिस इतना बड़ा हॉस्पिटल है, मेदांता इतना बड़ा है, मैक्स इतना बड़ा है. इतने बड़े हॉस्पिटल्स को हैंडल करने के लिए लोग चाहिए. They are called healthcare professionals, healthcare management people, right? So there's a career out of it. Medical students can think of getting into this also. Then anthropology. Anthropology क्या है? Study of human beings. आप evolution को study कर रहे हो. There are a lot of government bodies which hire anthropologists. And anthropologists को की बहुत ज़्यादा डिमांड यूके में, यूरोप में, यूएस में बहुत ज़्यादा डिमांड है, right? Forensic sciences. Somebody asked me about forensic sciences. Yes, definitely, Anya. Now, forensic sciences. What is there in forensic sciences? अभी forensic sciences का सबसे पहला एग्जाम्पल आपने देखा होगा, वो CID सीरियल में आता था जो डॉक्टर सालू के, राइट? तो क्या करते हैं फोरेंसिक वाले, आपको उससे आइडिया मिला होगा. फोरेंसिक वाले एक्चुअली आइडेंटिफाई करते हैं फ्रॉम द डेड बॉडीज और फ्रॉम द क्राइम सीन्स कि क्राइम कैसे हुआ होगा. दे हेल्प आउट द पुलिस, दे हेल्प आउट द लॉ एजेंसीज. ओके, तो फोरेंसिक में जाने के लिए भी यू नीड मेडिकल में आप शायद BSc जनरल मेडिकल करो और उसके बाद मास्टर्स इन फोरेंसिक साइंसेस कर सकते हो. तो लॉट ऑफ इंस्टीट्यूट्स इन इंडिया दैट ऑफर अ मास्टर्स इन फोरेंसिक साइंसेस, राइट? वन ऑफ IMIT offers it, Bennett offers it, then Punjabi University Patiala offers it. Lot of institutes that offer forensic sciences. Yes, they do it. Postmortem reports, basically they're not the only forensic people who do it. Forensic people along with doctors, they do the postmortem thing. Okay, because doctors are the one who do the surgical part, forensic people are the one who do the study actually, right? Yes, veterinary is also one of the options in medical only. Veterinary sciences. What is veterinary sciences? becoming the doctor for animals. Okay, that's also a very good branch for. उसके लिए भी आपका एग्जाम है, आप उसी में से, उसी एग्जाम में से, जिस एग्जाम के लिए आप एमबीबीएस में जा रहे हो, बीडीएस में जा रहे हो, नीट एग्जाम, द नीट कैन गिव यू ऑप्शंस फॉर वेटरनरी आल्सो, राइट. एंड आर्मी, somebody had asked me आर्मी. ओके, आर्मी के लिए सी आर्मी में जाने के रूट्स हैं अलग अलग. वन रूट इज गोइंग इन थ्रू एनडीए, but NDA is restricted only for boys. Let me tell you, it's only for boys. अगर girls में से somebody wants to get into army, then the route is through CDS. CDS होता है Combined Defense Services Exam. This is after your graduation. Once you do your graduation, you take this test, and then you go to army की agency called OTA, Officers Training Academy. Once you get into it, you can become a commissioned officer. तो इसके लिए सब्जेक्ट देखो, अगर CDS के रूट पे जाना है तो कोई सब्जेक्ट रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं है कि कौन सा सब्जेक्ट होना चाहिए, लेकिन अगर एनडीए जाना है then you should definitely have maths. Okay, understood? Okay, becoming a YouTuber for career, study in Canada. Vritti, if you want to study in Canada, first thing that you need to decide is, see, Canada is not a career option. Career option is what degree do you want to do there. Canada is just a place, a location that is going to give you opportunities in that option. Okay, you need to decide what your favorite subjects are. Then we can talk more about options in Canada, right? And somebody said this becoming a YouTuber. See, Tarush, it is a fascination, right? That I want to become a YouTuber, but YouTubers work very, very, very hard. You need to learn video editing first, right? वो video editing के लिए जरूरी नहीं है कि आप किसी इंस्टीट्यूट में जाके सीखोगे. You can learn it on your own also, and then you can start making videos. कोई ऐसा डिग्री नहीं है that you want to do. But if you still want to learn professional editing and everything, then you can get into mass media and communication, right? Time period for becoming an army officer for girls. Then girls के लिए मिष्टी, I would say 3 years आपका पहले after 12th 3 years आपकी graduation होगी. Then you clear the CDS exam. CDS से आप OTA में जाते हो. OTA में आपकी almost 1.5 year की training होती है. So the time period could be around 4.5 years almost after your 12th. Okay. IITs के लिए they are it's like you clear JEE mains, and apart from that you need a percentage in IIT. As high the percentage would be, more the chances. Okay, because weightage होती है 50% weightage for mains and 50% weightage for your academics at the main stage. So I would suggest anything above 90% is good. Okay, guys. So there are a lot of there are a lot of queries that are popping up. So what we can do is, let me just go on finishing up this. I'll as ma'am had told you earlier that you can put your queries on mail also. I'll give you another option to put your queries, which I can address easily, quickly. Okay, I'll be putting all this. Keep these queries till the end of the session. I'll be putting them all up. Okay. So forensic sciences, उसके बाद food technology. अब आजकल तुम्हें पता है लोग बहुत conscious हैं health को लेके. You can become a dietitian. It's a very good option. Dietitian के लिए there is a bachelor's degree also. There's a diploma also, and only medical people get into it, right? Because they understand the biology of the body, right? And then agriculture. Agriculture के लिए भी there are specific exams for agriculture. Okay, specific exams that are there for agriculture. BSc agriculture. There's a complete university. पंजाब एग्रीकल्चर यूनिवर्सिटी आपने शायद सुना हो, लुधियाना के अंदर है. दे ऑफर 4 year एग्रीकल्चर डिग्रीज, और इनकी बहुत डिमांड है इंडिया में भी, कनाडा में भी, राइट. कनाडा ने आजकल पूरा एक पायलट प्रोग्राम चला रखा है फॉर एग्रीकल्चर पीपल, राइट. यू हैव वेरी गुड ऑप्शंस इन कनाडा फॉर आफ्टर एग्रीकल्चर. एंड देन पॉलीमर साइंसेस. दिस इज समथिंग वेरी स्पेसिफिक. केमिस्ट्री में आप पॉलीमर पढ़ रहे हो, इस पे पूरी एक बैचलर्स डिग्री है दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी में, पॉलीमर साइंसेस, राइट. Yes, I'll be coming to your questions. Just give me a few minutes so that I can finish all of these ones. Okay. So polymer sciences is something which you get in a bachelor's degree in Delhi University. If you're actually interested in how polymers are made, how polythenes are made, how different polymers are made, right? It's basically based on chemistry. If you like chemistry, then you can get into polymer sciences also. And there are 5-year integrated MSc courses in biology, chemistry, Nizer, Bhubaneswar, right? And the entry is through a national entrance screening test called NEST. Okay, this is the entrance exam for that. Okay, so moving ahead, these are some options for everyone, irrespective of your degree, irrespective of what you are pursuing in class 11th and 12th. Law, BA LLB or BBA LLB, anybody can pursue this provided you are able to take an exam called CLAT. Okay, common law admission test. Okay, and then management, I already talked about BBA. Then aviation, hotel management, mass communication and media, very good option, right? YouTube वाले जो सोच रहे हैं YouTube करना है, मास कम्युनिकेशन को, अगर फॉर्मल एजुकेशन तुम्हें लेनी है तो मास कम्युनिकेशन इज वन मोड, क्योंकि मास कॉम वाले अभी सिर्फ वो टीवी एंकर नहीं बनते हैं या सिर्फ न्यूज चैनल में काम नहीं करते हैं. देयर इज डिजिटल मीडिया ऑल्सो. दे डू कॉपी राइटिंग, they become Facebook experts, they become social media experts, they do social media marketing. There are a lot of things that these people do, mass communication people do. Okay, then psychology, right? Psychology is something, if you have a calling for helping out people, कैसे लोगों को काउंसल करना, और जरूरी नहीं है सिर्फ स्टूडेंट्स को काउंसल करना, यू कैन काउंसल children, you can counsel people who have some health issues, right? or mental health issues, right? So you can be a psychologist later on. इसके लिए भी कोई specific degree होना, कोई specific branch होना जरूरी नहीं है 11th या 12th में, right? Then design has, I told you, NID, NIFT, ये सारे options open है हमारे पास, सारे institutes. You can become a fashion designer, you can become a jewelry designer, right? You can become a car designer. All of these options are there with you. So कोई भी branch हो, right? Languages, okay, so there again I'm putting it, queries up, you keep putting on your queries, I'll pick up as many as I can. Okay, so languages, you can study foreign languages like Spanish, German, right? So Chinese, Mandarin basically. So all these languages, kya fayda hota hai? One, you get options in these countries primarily. Second, the second best option would be becoming translators. Okay, government needs translators. जो लोग ये पूरी प्रॉपर एक डिग्री करते हैं, दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफर्स अ 3-year डिग्री in about 8 languages, जहाँ पे 8 languages सीखते हो. So once you've learned all those 8 languages, you can become a translator and be hired by the government. You might get a chance going in with your prime minister और वहां जाके converse करने में उनकी help कर रहे हो आप, right? That's a very good career option. Then civil services, I told about UPSC, right? IAS, IPS, or state civil services. All of these are available irrespective of your branch. Okay, BA in social work through TIS, Tata Institute of Social Sciences, right? BA in social work. See, social work ab kya hai basically? See, not everyone works for money. Not everyone works for money. Some people have their calling in helping out people. Okay, they might be very good at helping out people, social work, right? You might be aware, ma'am also does a lot of social work, helps out children, underprivileged children. That's her internal calling, right? That's something that comes from within. That's not something that you do for money. Okay, similar, there's a degree for that, BA in social work, where they tell you how to open your NGOs, how to raise funds for your NGOs, how to get connected to other NGOs, right? And who knows, you might be working in United Nations in the next 10 years after doing a degree like this. Okay, and then culinary sciences. अभी लॉकडाउन में a lot of people have learned how to do cooking and stuff, right? अभी cooking सीखी है तो उसके लिए career option है proper culinary sciences, right? There is a branch called BA in culinary sciences, bachelor in culinary sciences. Culinary sciences क्या होता है? Where you learn how to cook things, how to garnish them, how to make them beautiful. Okay, you might be hired as a chef. और शेफ्स के करियर बहुत अच्छे हैं. लेट मी टेल यू, अगर रणवीर बराड़ नाम के एक शेफ तुमने देखा है फेसबुक पे, राइट? तो he has 8 restaurants, 5 in US, 3 in Canada now at the age of 42, and he started all this at the age of 25. बहुत लेट शुरू किया था उसने, लेकिन he is a chef and earning crores of money, right? So culinary sciences also has very good career options. Okay, so more about law. Okay, so these were the options that I was talking about, and these are some of the entrance exams that are there for streams, different streams. You can take a screenshot of this screen maybe. Okay, आपको बहुत सारे entrance exam screen पे दिख रहे हैं. You can take a screenshot of this, and then you can take a screenshot of the next one also. Okay, these are the entrance tests available after you do your class 12th. और कौन कौन से किस किस चीज के लिए हैं, you can go through them, read about them. अगर ज्यादा information चाहिए, you can get in touch with me about. Okay, United Nations में, see, there is not a path to get into United Nations. Okay, now I'll be taking some queries, the queries that have been asked earlier. Okay, somebody had asked me about ACCA. Now let me tell you, ACCA is similar to CA. जैसे CA इंडिया में होता है, ऐसे ACCA UK में होता है, right? तो ACCA करने के लिए what you can do in India, अगर इंडिया में best combination to do with ACCA. अच्छा Gaurika, your question is, yes Anya, I'm coming to your question. So Gaurika, your question is how to do ACCA. See, ACCA के लिए there are 14 papers that you need to appear for. वो आप इंडिया में भी दे सकते हो, UK जाके भी दे सकते हो. लेकिन let me tell you, there are few degrees. Like there's a degree called BBA Finance and Accountancy, which is there in Christ University, Pune. Okay, Christ University Pune offers that degree. Once you've done that degree, finance and accountancy, out of these 14 papers, you are exempted from 9 papers. इनमें से 9 पेपर एग्जाम्प्ट हो जाएंगे तुम्हारे. कुछ नहीं करना तुम्हें 9 पेपर्स का, सिर्फ 5 पेपर्स ही देने हैं. That's a very good option ACCA करने के लिए. Okay, and somebody asked me about law now. Anya was asking about law. What is your specific query about law, Anya? Because I had told you how to get into law, right? Law में कैसे जाना कैसे है, घुसना कैसे है. I told you you need to prepare for an exam called CLAT. Subjects कौन सी चाहिए? You should ideally have polity. But what is your specific query about law? Biomedical engineering. Definitely, Sparshjot. You can probably do YouTube along with. See, इसके लिए कोई डिग्री नहीं चाहिए. यूट्यूबर बनने के लिए कोई डिग्री नहीं चाहिए. You do medical, you do non-medical, you do whatever. You can still become a YouTuber. Okay. Gaming career on YouTube. What I believe तुम जो पूछना चाह रहे हो, that's like जैसे कैरी मिनाती वो गेम के वीडियोस बनाते हुए बोलता है, तो उसके लिए there is no specific skill that you require. Okay. अभी एक there's another person called Aman Dhattarwal. वो भी बनाता है वीडियोस and he is an engineer by profession actually. तो इसके लिए कोई स्पेसिफिक ब्रांच नहीं चाहिए. एम्स के लिए एकमप्रीत, एम्स में जाने के लिए, ये एम्स का लिखा भी होगा मैंने यहाँ पे, यस, एम्स एमबीबीएस. यू नीड टू अपीयर फॉर एन एग्जाम कॉल्ड एम्स. एम्स का जो टेस्ट होता है उसको देना पड़ेगा आपको 12th के बाद, एंड यू शुड हैव मेडिकल इन क्लास 11th एंड 12th. ओके. इनकम टैक्स ऑफिसर. ओके, आर्यन इनकम टैक्स ऑफिसर बनने के लिए व्हाट यू नीड टू अपीयर फॉर, देयर इज एन एग्जाम कॉल्ड एसएससी सीजीएल. ओके, एसएससी सीजीएल. तो एसएससी सीजीएल आप ग्रेजुएशन के बाद ही देते हो. एसएससी सीजीएल इज आफ्टर ग्रेजुएशन. ओके, तो वो एग्जाम आपको देना पड़ेगा आफ्टर योर ग्रेजुएशन. यू डू ग्रेजुएशन एनी स्ट्रीम, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. ओके. अच्छा, लॉ के लिए बेस्ट यूनिवर्सिटी कौन सी है? लॉ के लिए बेस्ट यूनिवर्सिटी इज एनएलयू बैंगलोर, नेशनल लॉ यूनिवर्सिटी बैंगलोर. ओके, नेशनल लॉ यूनिवर्सिटी बैंगलोर, दैट्स द बेस्ट वन. अदरवाइज इसके अलावा द लॉट ऑफ अदर नेशनल लॉ यूनिवर्सिटीज, बहुत सारे और भी नेशनल लॉ यूनिवर्सिटीज हैं, राइट? ऑल ऑफ दोज आर अवेलेबल फॉर you. You need to appear for the exam called CLAT, I told you, right? Percentage for medical, anything above 90 is always good. Loco pilot, you've current Loco pilot, opt for non-medical first. Okay, non-medical first. After that, there's a formal training for that. For becoming a captain in Indian Army, you have one option, as I told you, NDA. And if you are a boy, you have NDA. And if you are a girl, you have CDS. और बॉयज के लिए CDS भी है. CDS आफ्टर ग्रेजुएशन बॉयज के लिए भी है, या फिर NDA में जाओ, नॉन मेडिकल NDA. ओके. एनडीए के लिए कोई यूनिवर्सिटी नहीं होती है राजमीर. आप एनडीए का एग्जाम देते हो और इंडियन मिलिट्री एकेडमी में जाते हो. देयर इज ओनली वन एकेडमी इन इंडिया, IMA, इंडियन मिलिट्री एकेडमी. कोई यूनिवर्सिटी नहीं होती है. बायोमेडिकल इंजीनियरिंग, सी बायोमेडिकल इंजीनियरिंग रीत, इट्स समथिंग वेयर यू वर्क विद मशीन्स. ठीक है ना? कौन सी मशीन्स जो बायोटेक्नोलॉजी वाले यूज करते हैं, ऑटोक्लेव्स, राइट, जो फिलर्स, बहुत सारी MRI मशीन्स, राइट, स्कैनिंग मशीन्स, ये सारी बनाते हैं बायोमेडिकल इंजीनियर्स. सो अ लॉट ऑफ कंपनीज हायर दीज पीपल. जो कंपनीज बनाती हैं इनको हायर करती हैं बायोमेडिकल. और उसको करने के लिए चाहिए क्या तुम्हें? यू कैन आइदर हैव मेडिकल और नॉन मेडिकल. प्राइमरीली बायोमेडिकल में नॉन मेडिकल वाले ही जाते हैं, बट बायोमेडिकल में मेडिकल वाले भी जा सकते हैं, राइट? नो, इट्स नॉट समथिंग लाइक, सी दीज आर वेरी जेनरिक थिंग्स कि जो कॉमर्स लेगा वो जल्दी बाहर सेटल हो जाएगा, ऐसा जरूरी नहीं है. डिपेंड्स ऑन द डिमांड ऑफ दैट करियर. ओके. सी आयुष, यू कैन हैव एज मेनी अटेम्प्ट्स एज पॉसिबल, बट उसकी एज लिमिट होती है. अगर एज लिमिट है आईएएस में, जैसे 32 एज लिमिट थी, वो 28 कर दी है. इसमें 21 ईयर्स एज लिमिट होती है. आयुष, 20 ईयर्स सॉरी एज लिमिट होती है. आप तब तक ही अपियर हो सकते हो, राइट? फार्मास्यूटिकल के लिए सुपर मेडिकल जरूरी नहीं है. मेडिकल कैन वर्क. Which subjects are good for improving aptitude to go into IAS and UPSC? I told you earlier, primarily अगर humanities में जाओ, take up polity, take up maybe polity along with economics. That's a very good stream. Okay. Law के लिए जो entrance exams हैं, I told you CLAT is one, CLAT, ALET, SLAT, AIL, LET, right? Maharashtra CET. These are all the tests for law students. Okay. कोडिंग में जाने के लिए, सी गौरी, कोडिंग में जाने के लिए फॉरेन कंट्रीज में ऐसा कोई स्पेसिफिक कोई ऐसा नहीं है कि आपको पर्टिकुलर कुछ यहाँ पे करके जाना पड़ेगा. इंजीनियरिंग करनी पड़ेगी. कोडिंग करनी है तो इंजीनियरिंग करने के लिए वो आप यहाँ करो चाहे बाहर जाके करो. नॉन मेडिकल लो, पहली बात, योर स्ट्रीम शुड बी नॉन मेडिकल. ओके. सुपर मेडिकल के बाद निमत प्रीत, इट विल डिपेंड कि तुम करना क्या चाहते हो, वेदर यू वांट टू गेट इनटू मेडिकल, यू वांट टू गेट इनटू नॉन मेडिकल. ओके. Universities, which are good universities for engineering outside India? Tarush, there are a lot of good universities, depends on the country that you want to get into. अगर US में जाना चाहते हो, US में there are a lot of topmost universities, Ivy League में Harvard, Stanford, right? And then Yale, Princeton, all of these universities are there. And थोड़ा अगर आप state university या फिर थोड़ा उससे नीचे आ जाओगे, तो there are a lot of state universities like UCLA, UIUC, right? Lot of, in fact, Anshpreet is ma'am's daughter. You might have probably interacted with her. She's also going to one of the topmost universities in US, right? So Baylor University. So that's also one of the very good university, right? Which is the best university in Canada? Best university in Canada for anything is University of Toronto. Next best university is University of British Columbia. After that, you can choose any university. Okay. So you have a lot of entrance exams, guys. A lot of entrance exams. बट डिपेंड करेगा आप करना क्या चाहते हो, उस पर डिपेंड करेगा. केमिकल इंजीनियरिंग में जाना है, पंजाब यूनिवर्सिटी, वन ऑफ द बेस्ट आफ्टर आईआईटीज, ऑब्वियसली आफ्टर आईआईटीज. ओके. एस्ट्रोफिजिक्स के लिए आई वुड सजेस्ट हुनर, try getting into IIST. I told you, Indian Institute of Space Technology. They teach astrophysics also. IISC teaches astrophysics, right? IISER teaches astrophysics. ये सारे astrophysics पढ़ाते हैं. Indian Judicial Services, get into law first and then appear for judiciary. Okay. कोरियोग्राफर बनने के लिए जिया, देयर इज अगेन नो स्पेसिफिक कोर्स, यू लर्न, नीड टू लर्न कोरियोग्राफी. ओके, आफ्टर योर 12th, कोई भी स्ट्रीम हो, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. नाम्या, LLB एंड BALLB. सी BLLB नहीं होती है, BALLB होती है. BALLB इज डुअल ग्रेजुएशन डिग्री, LLB इज सिंपल ग्रेजुएशन डिग्री. LLB आप 12th के बाद नहीं कर सकते हो, उसके लिए आपको पहले कोई ना कोई ग्रेजुएशन करनी पड़ेगी. सो BALLB इज द थिंग टू डू. ओके. Chef, which university is best and where, which exam is being given? मेधा, शेफ बनने के लिए SCT एग्जाम इज देयर. SCT जो दिख रहा है आपको, दिस इज फॉर BA इन culinary sciences. ओके. इसके अलावा एक और एग्जाम होता है NCHMCT JEE. ठीक है, ये एग्जाम के नाम अपने पास लिख लो. यू कैन डू योर रिसर्च एंड यू कैन गेट बैक टू मी. ओके. कंप्यूटर इंजीनियरिंग के लिए तारुष, डिपेंड्स तुम्हें रहना कहाँ है. तुम्हें कनाडा में रहना है तो IIT वुड नॉट हेल्प यू आउट मच. कनाडा में रहना है तो यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ टोरंटो देखो. इंडिया में रहना है तो IIT करो, राइट. देन Jasjot, I would suggest get into media studies if you want to get into acting. Okay. How to get into ISRO? ISRO में again I told you, aeronautical engineers जाते हैं, IIST से pass out जाते हैं, right? Yes, NDA exam is after 12th only. After 12th, guys. Let me help you out with something. Wait. So that I can resolve all your queries, because I guess I still have 60 almost queries to answer. Let me just help you out with something. So sorry. I have given you, guys, I'm giving you a link in your chat box. Did you get a link? I hope you've got a link here. एक काम करते हैं, because the queries are endless, right? Queries can go on for maybe 2 more hours. So what I can do is you click on this link, you'll get into a group. Yes, Sargun, I'll be sharing that aptitude test also here. Get into a group. This group is open only for about next half an hour, and then I'll close this group. Put all your queries into it. I'll answer each and every query. I'll speak out all the queries and I'll give you the answers to all your queries. Okay, because it'll be difficult for me to write also, right? क्योंकि बोल के बताना बहुत easy है, लिख के बताना would be very difficult for me also. So what we can do is just click on this link, guys. Just click on this link or copy this link. This will take you to a WhatsApp group, and this is a closed group. Okay, it's an admin only group, but मैंने उसको half an hour के लिए खोल दिया है. Don't spam it. Don't spam at all. Right? If somebody spams, I'll put you out of the group. Okay, and I'll report you to ma'am also if somebody spams. Don't spam. Don't write anything like Binod or something. Okay, like you did in comments. So just put your genuine queries. Whatever queries you have, you've not been able to put them here, or I've not been able to answer. Just put all those queries in that group. Okay, I'll answer all those queries. Maybe by today, maybe by tomorrow, I'll help you out with all those queries. Okay, I promise I'll help you out with all those queries. But one more thing, don't spam it all again. Don't spam it all. And that psychometric test I told you, I'll be sharing the link of the psychometric test in the group only. Okay. Merchant Navy also, I'll take care of all of these. All these queries that are there, NDA, going abroad, or law, all these queries, culinary sciences, I'll explain all those queries there, guys. And apart from that, you can also follow my YouTube channel. It's youtube.com/aptiguide institute. Aptiguide Institute. Okay, I've put it in the chat box. I make videos regarding different careers on this channel. You can follow this. You can subscribe to the channel. You'll keep getting these. And whatever answers I gave, अगर मुझे उनमें से कुछ बहुत बड़ा लगेगा, I'll create a video out of it and I'll upload it there. You'll be able to see it. Okay. I hope you've got how to handle get your queries answered now. I'm checking the group right now if somebody has posted anything there. Yes, keep putting it, guys. I'm getting a lot of queries here. I've almost got six queries here. Please join this group, put in your queries there. Okay, it'll be more convenient answering your queries there. Okay. Yes, so I'll pass it on to ma'am now. I hope all of you got a few insights from the session. And before leaving the session, what we'll do, we'll have a photograph also, maybe where you can all, I can put you all on the screen. And stop sharing the screen right now. And we can probably come to the gallery view. And over to ma'am. If ma'am has something to share, ma'am can share it. And then let me just unmute ma'am once. And then we can have a group photograph and then we'll wrap up the session. Okay. Over to ma'am.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Good afternoon, children. It was really pleasure listening to Mr. Anshul, sir. Sir, actually, मुझे लगता है कि बच्चों की नहीं, मेरी भी बहुत सारी queries you have cleared in. And I mean, I really salute you for what you have given. इतना precious time. I would say पैसा एक तरफ होता है, सब चीजें एक तरफ होती है, पर जो आपने हमारे लिए अपने संडे को sacrifice किया, and I know कि आप संडे को कोई appointments नहीं लेते. Thank you very much, sir. I'm speechless. I have no word to thank you. मुझे लगता है my children will really be benefited. और सर आप उनकी queries जरूर clear कीजिएगा. और अगर उनको कोई भी help चाहिए होगी, they will often, they will look forward to you only. Sir, thank you so much. I am totally indebted to you. Right. Thank you so much. I would just give my heartful thanks to you for taking this seminar.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much. And students, we'll just have a small photograph kind of a thing. I have put on the gallery view. So if you can just switch on your cameras, if you are in the proper positions to be on the screen, right? For a while, just for a brief while. Okay, just switch on your cameras. And I'll take a screenshot at the end. Great, great, great. That's such a nice thing to see all of you and being very attentive. Let me just click a photograph with all of you. Can we all smile a little? Happy faces. So that's such a nice thing to be with all of you. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. And I look forward to answering all your queries and getting in touch with you. Thank you so much, everyone.
Okay, children, with this we end today's seminar, and I hope it was really beneficial to you. Thank you so much, Anshul sir, once again.
Thank you so much. Thank you.